If you're experiencing issues with the Call of Duty update getting stuck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to browse other websites. If your connection is weak, consider restarting your router. Step 2. Restart the game. Close the Call of Duty game completely and restart it. This can help refresh the update process and may resolve any temporary glitches that are causing the update to be stuck. Step 3. Clear cache. If you're on a console, clear the cache by turning off the console and plugging it for a few minutes, and then plugging it back in. For PC, you can clear the cache by navigating to the Game Mesh settings and selecting the option to clear cache or temporary files. Step 4. Check for system updates. Make sure your gaming platform, console or PC is up to date. Sometimes, system updates are required for game updates to install properly. Check for any pending updates and install them before trying to update the game again. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This will ensure that you have the latest version and that any corrupted files are removed. Be sure to back up any important data before doing this. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the Call of Duty update getting stuck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.